everyone, so today I'm going to be decluttering some of my eyeshadow palettes because, as you guys know, I have a ton of eyeshadow palettes that I do not use, so I thought I would go through some of the palettes that I'm not sure on, and I thought that I'll see what I want to declutter. This is the pile for the most part. First, let's start with an indie palette. This is the Baby Bat Beauty Luna palette. It's pretty and the packaging is gorgeous, but unfortunately I have so many eyeshadow palettes that I just will not get use out of this, so I'm going to be decluttering that. Next, we have the LA Girl Neons palette, and I'm going to declutter this because, again, I have way too many palettes to keep hold of this one. We have the Dose of Colors and I Love Sahari palette, and I'm going to keep this because I really love the eyeshadow formula of Dose of Colors. That blue is one of my absolute favorite shades, plus the quality is just amazing. I have this colorful Bodyography palette. I think I'm going to declutter it though, simply because I don't get any use out of it, and I'm no longer affiliated with the brand, so. Next I have my two Jaclyn Hill and Morphe Vault palettes. As for these, I'm going to declutter the Bling Boss palette simply because I do not need it, but I'm going to keep the Armed and Gorgeous. I'm going to declutter the Lime Crime Plushies palette because I really only care for that shade, and the shadows for some reason don't last long in my eyes. I'm also going to declutter the Saharan 2 by Juvia's Place simply because I don't get any use out of it. I'm also going to declutter this little Wet n Wild palette because, again, I don't need it and I don't use it. I'm going to declutter the Kat Von D Metal Matte Mini palette, the Orb of Light Black Moon Cosmetics palette. I'm going to keep this for now, but I may end up decluttering this simply because I have too many palettes. But for now, I'm going to keep it. I'm decluttering the Kylie Cosmetics Holiday 2016 palette. I do love these shades and the quality is great, but I do not get any use out of this. I'm going to declutter my Tarte Toasted palette simply because I don't get any use out of it. The shades are pretty, the formula is nice, but I have lots of similar shades.
It smells really good though.
I'm going to keep my Kat Von D Pastel Goth palette simply because I don't have anything like it. And lastly, we have the ABH Prism palette. Now this is something I honestly don't know. Like, I don't think I'd need to keep it, so I think I'm going to declutter this. So this is my declutter pile. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 12 palettes that I'm decluttering, so I think that is pretty good.